Hey there, my name is Sam. Here's how to find what version of WordPress you are currently using. First step, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. It should look something semi-similar to this. Scroll down to the bottom. In the bottom right-hand corner, you are going to see what version you have. In this case, I have version 6.8. If you are looking for a different way to find out what WordPress version you have, at the top right, if you hover over the WordPress logo and then click About WordPress, it's going to show you in very big letters right at the top what WordPress version you have. That's all there is to it. If you're interested in finding out what is the latest version of WordPress you would have, typically you will be notified. Let me move myself out of the way here. If you go check out updates, it will show you if you have the latest version, or if there's a new version, it would make that available. Otherwise, you could literally just Google what is the latest version of WordPress. Google might tell you right up here at the top, or if you go to the wordpress.org website, under their releases page, it's going to show you the latest version of WordPress, and then if you scroll down, previous versions that they have available here. That's it. Hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.